Oo, pang-5 na yan ni Gary David.
Well, makulit kasi ang depensa ni Pingris. And medyo na-frustrate si Gary David here in our 4th period. Oh, look at this pressure defense by Air 21. Napilitan tumawag ng timeout si Rosella.
Yun na nga no?
Salubong yun, yung trap defense nila. 3 yun.
Okay, na 30-second timeout called here by Magnolia. Si Coach Bo Perasol. Making sure kung saan yung inbound. No? They really need to make a stop here. 2 minutes and 24. Natitira po dito sa ating laban. Ito naman ang ating top power, top players sa semis. Ayan po si McCaskill sa points, Alexander sa rebound, Felderbrand sa assist, Artadi sa steals at Alexander ulit sa blocks. That was our top power, top players brought to us by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy. I'd like to greet Mr. and Mrs. Edgardo Suarez. Happy anniversary. In-laws po sila, yung dating player ng PBA na si Banjo Calpito.
Si Banjo.
Nanonood sila ngayon.
Taga-Tarlac yun, no?
Yes, taga-Tarlac.
Okay, taga-Paniki.
At sigurado mabait yung in-laws niya dahil natiis nila si Banjo. Happy anniversary po.
At kumusta kayo dyan? Lahat po ng mga taga-Paniki.
Ito ngayon, inbound para sa Magnolia. It's Olsen Rosella. Sino pupuntahan nila? Pinuntahan ulit nila si McCaskill. By Daniel Defonso. And Danny I knocks down another basket. He has 19 big points in the ball game. Ito ngayon si Steve Thomas. Kick out pass. Balik sa poste. Ito na ang outlast 2 minutes. Atid sa inyo ng outlast maintenance free battery start agad.
And Gary David has fouled out of this game. He has fouled out for pushing off against Lodi Tugade.
Ayan na nga po, Gary David.
Dalawang sunod na offensive foul against Gary David. Na-frustrate si Gary because matindi itong depensa pinapakita ng mga defenders. First Pingris, then Lodi Tugade, and Coach Bo Perasol looking very composed. This game is far from over.
Well, frustration is the right word to describe ano nangyayari dito sa Air 21 ngayon.
32 points by Gary David. He has fouled out, but you can't argue the call. That was clearly a push. Bagsak si Tugade. At kanina, bagsak din si Pingris.
Ito, makikita natin
Watch
dito
it
yung
here.
nangyari. Ayan, pa-cut to itong si Gary David.
Yun. Using his shoulder to try to gain position para makakuha ng pasa.
And Gary David, frustration is the word. Ito ngayon si Tugade. Pasa niya, naagaw dito ng Air 21. Here's Steve Thomas. Working against McCaskill at the post. Thomas ngayon. Turns around, blocked by McCaskill. Plenty of time. And the ball comes in. Oh, by Arwin Santos.
Arwin Santos, the long arms of Santos.
And Coach Shota Kinsen sues for time. And this is a crucial possession for the Magnolia Beverage Masters. They are looking to tie up the series at 2 games apiece. Air 21 looking for a commanding 3-1 lead.
Malaya ang damdamin.
Sana ganito palagi.
May oras na masaya.
Kaya mo ako.
Minsan malungkot.
Naririnig mo ako kasi limit kamay ko pa.
Minsan naiinis.
Aso ng polis noon, pero ngayon asong gala ka na lang.
Nagagalit. Natatakot.
Hindi ko naman alam sasabit kayo, sir.
Malaya ang damdamin, kaya't isinulat ito ng may malayang kaisipan. Sinimalaya, Martes alas 7 ng gabi sa ABC.
Well, except game 1, ito pong series na to talaga namang dikitan po. So we can see itong ating Coke Sarap dito moment. At makikita natin dito yung fast break ni Gary David. What teamwork shown there by Air 21. Ang sarap ng teamwork dito. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Sarap dito.
Ang sarap din ang pagpasok ng bola nun.
Oo.
Gary David, as you see him now on the sidelines.
Although hindi masarap pakiramdam niya ngayon.
Oo, I'm sure.
Dahil nga foul out na siya. Ayan po, mga fans naman ng Magnolia Beverage Masters. Maasa makatabla sila dito sa ating serye.
Now going again with a tall lineup ang Air 21. Nandyan si Homer, Arwin, si Ranidel, at saka si Steven Thomas. So 4 big men on the floor for Coach Bo Perasol.
As we take a look at the foul situation, ha? Ayan po, foul out na nga si Gary David. Couple of players, Tutugadin, 5 fouls na. Ranidel, 5 fouls also. We go back to Daniel Defonso. 10 seconds sa shot clock ng Magnolia.
Nakagawal tuloy. When Defonso was looking for a foul to be called in Homer Se,
That's a big stop there for
Oo.
Air 21.
but Homer Se stood his ground.
Nagka-cramps na itong si Winnie Arboleda. Kaya napatawag ng timeout si Coach Bo Perasol. And this will give Winnie Arboleda some time to recover. Ayan po, checking on his right calf muscle. And he is cramping up, mga kaibigan. And anyway, a timeout is called by Air 21. We'll be right back. Don't go away.
Suspect, Baumalikang. MO, walang prenong panggugulat.
Ayan o.
Walang kupas na panggu-good time.
Salamat po.
Sa mga ordinaryong tao na nauuwi sa walang tigil na kakatawa. Panoorin ang mga napasaya nila sa Wow Mali Express. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 10:30 p.m. sa ABC.
Alright, ito pong Air 21. 2-1 na nga po. Ang habol naman ng Magnolia, makatabla. This is a best of 7 series dito po sa ating semifinals. And for all the late tuners, kanina po nanalo na ang Barangay Ginebra in their series against Red Bull. So 4-0 po ang naging score dun sa series na yon. Ayan po ang ating naging final score, 101-97. Mark Kagiwa, 33 points. And he made true to his promise. Sabi niya, nung 1-7 pa lang sila na magpa-final throw sila. Ito na nga, nasa finals na sila. Ngayon, nag-aabang na lang kung sino ang kanilang makakaharap.
Wala naman sinabi si Mark na kung hindi sila pumasok sa finals kung anong gagawin niya.
Wala na siya sinabi doon. At yan, makikita natin games decided by 3 points or less, kinito.
Ayan, Express at saka Beverage Masters. You see how they've done so far. Remember, in Game 2 of this series, Air 21 won by 1.
Oo.
So, that was a very close game. And we're headed for another close ending.
Here's Steve Thomas.
Oh,
Wrong
foul.
move, nako, pero he drew a foul. And it's a shooting foul. So, free throws coming up for Steve Thomas.
Now, with that personal foul ng Magnolia, Beverage Masters are also now in the penalty situation. Kasi nasa last 2 minutes na tayo,
Oo.
even if that was just the third team foul ng Magnolia. That's one of the new rules ng PBA. Ay, pumapasok! Hindi po pupasok! Ang free throw ni Steven Thomas, and Lucas checking in for Magnolia. Dynamite Danny is checking in with less than a minute to go.
Yun na nga, 53 seconds remaining. Tingnan natin, Dynamite Danny started this game for Magnolia. Started things off with a slam dunk. Tingnan natin kung paano tatapusin tong game for Magnolia.
Now expect the pressure defense here from Air 21. At si Billones is one of the best pressure defenders in the backcourt ng Air 21. He's on the floor.
Magnolia hanging on to a 1-point lead. Here's McCaskill, spins baseline. Jump shot is no good. Rebound to Air 21.
Partner, malaking bagay. Wala dito